MusicNomad's Fret Evaluation Kit includes the Precision Fret Rocker Plus and Fret Gauge Measuring Tool, which is everything you need to evaluate your frets and diagnose common fret issues such as fret levelness and fret seating, which can result in fret buzz or other sound and playability issues. The must-have fret care kit is perfect for evaluating fret issues on new or used electric, acoustic, or bass guitars. The Fret Rocker Plus is made of high-quality stainless steel and has the perfect thickness. It features precision edges achieved through single setup, continuous 5-axis CNC, producing flawless flat edges with an accuracy tolerance of plus or minus 0.0015 inches per foot. Our patented 5-edge design allows for balanced weight and precise diagnosis of fret evenness and includes 4 straight edges, 1.25 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch for accurate fret rocking. The Fret Gauge Measuring Tool includes 4 key measurements for evaluating frets and diagnosing possible fret issues. They are fret levelness, fret seating, fret height, and fret size. It is made with precision, smooth stainless steel without the annoying messy oil found on traditional feeler gauge sets. Easy to follow instructions are printed right on the handle, and it even includes a convenient hang hole. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.